Hello everyone. Today we are here to teach you how you can increase your upload limit up to 1 GB. Note, this is only for WordPress website where people are facing problem due to limited upload limit. From today your problem will be solved. Follow my step. At first, let's look our maximum upload limit. You can go to Tools, and then Site Health. Click to Info. Scroll down and drop down Media Handling. You can view your maximum upload limit. Or you can also view from Media and add new media. Down you can view your maximum upload is 16 megabytes. Okay, now let's increase the size. Go to plugins and then add new plugins. Search for WP maximum upload file size. You have to install then activate that plugins. Go to Media and add new. Now you can see your maximum upload is increased. If you want to increase more, you can scroll down and select WP maximum upload file size in left side. Now drag down and then select your which is suitable for you. Go back and check. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and visit our website allfreedrivers.com.